Every operating system enables you to interact with a computing device in similar ways. And in fact, desktop and laptop operating systems look and smell very much alike. The mobile operating systems also look and act similarly. Unfortunately, the operating system developers have no agreement on what to call things users interact with. This episode walks through the same common task 6 times. In the process, I'll point out the names of features in 6 operating systems: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, iOS, and Android. The goal is for you to nod sagely when a Mac user friend says, "I popped open the Safari icon on the dock and then typed in the website I wanted." And as a Windows user, instantly equate that statement with, "I clicked on the Edge icon in the taskbar and then typed in the website I wanted." Here I have a Windows 10 machine. I want to accomplish a typical task. That is to open a web browser, access a non-political, safe for work and school, colorful website that looks good on camera, and download a picture that I can make into my background. So, run a program, have that program do something, and access the results of that action. Microsoft Edge is the default browser for Windows 10. To run the application, I can click here in the Start menu, the application center for every version of Windows, and there's Edge. Conversely, I can click the Edge icon in the taskbar. That's the location for pinned programs and running applications. Or I can type Edge, and Windows knows what I want. Let's access a photo site. Sort of randomly selected jernigan.smugmug.com. Navigate to find a photo I want. Right-click it to download. Now I'm going to access the File Explorer in the taskbar. Navigate to Pictures, and there it is. Let's try the same thing again in Mac OS. Safari is the default browser. I can access it in a couple of ways. I can click Finder, then click Applications, and select Safari from the apps listed. Conversely, I can click Launchpad and find Safari. Or I can do what everybody does and click the Safari icon from the dock. That's this bar at the bottom of the screen. From here, I follow the same path to a website and a picture download. Right-click, save the picture, and then access Finder to get to the picture. Sweet! Here's a Linux system. The main tools are on the left side of the screen in this distro. They vary, so you might see a different layout. A lot of them use Mozilla Firefox as their default web browser. Let's hit the website. Right-clicking on the image does the same thing as on other platforms. Now let's access the picture through Files, which in Ubuntu is secretly called Nautilus. And there you go. Now I'm in Chrome OS on my Chromebook. There's no taskbar or dock, just some common icons for applications. Not surprisingly, Chrome is the default browser. Hit the SmugMug site, get to the folder, right-click on the image, and download. Access using Files. Here's an iPhone running iOS. Like other Apple products, iPhones use Safari as their default browser. Tap the app, conveniently located in the dock, to open it. Let's navigate to the website and find the picture. Touch the screen and you'll get the option to save the file. It will show up in Pictures. Here's a smartphone running Android. This implementation uses Chrome for browsing. Let's access the website one more time and select a picture. Touch the picture to get the option to download. It'll show up in Pictures. So taskbar or dock, start screen or Finder, the names change, but the functions are remarkably similar in all 6 operating systems covered in this episode.